Want to access an advanced AI model like ChatGPT, but for free? Meet DeepSeek AI, a powerful AI chatbot that can generate text, translate languages, write code, and much more. In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI step by step, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Stay till the end for some cool AI tricks. How to access DeepSeek AI. On your laptop or phone, open Google Chrome, Edge, or any web browser. In the search bar, type DeepSeek AI and hit enter. Click on the official website, deepseek.com or similar. You can sign up using your Google or email account. Using DeepSeek AI for text generation. In the text box, type something like, write a short story about a time traveler. Press enter or click the send button and wait for seconds for a response. If you want a more detailed and creative response, click the Deep Think button before submitting your query. This mode enhances reasoning and generates deeper insights. If you need a different version, click Regenerate or modify your prompt and wait for seconds for a response. Using DeepSeek AI for coding assistance, you can type, write a Python script to fetch weather data. DeepSeek AI will generate the code instantly. Hover over the code box and click Copy to paste it into your editor. If you get an error, click on the search button next to the response. It will search for similar issues and provide debugging solutions. Using DeepSeek AI for translation, type, translate, hello, how are you, into French. DeepSeek AI will instantly provide the translation. It supports multiple languages, including Spanish, German, and Chinese. Using the Attach File feature, click the Attach File button at the bottom of the chat window. Upload a PDF, Word document, or text file. DeepSeek AI will analyze the file and generate summaries, key points, or rewrite text based on your request. And that's how you can use DeepSeek AI like a pro. With DeepThink, the search button, and the Attach File feature, this AI tool is more powerful than ever. Let me know in the comments what you'll use it for. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome AI tutorials. See you in the next one.